Google Antigravity's new use cases are insane. Google Antigravity just changed everything for anyone building AI automation tools. Today, I'm going to show you how this brand new tool makes coding stupid easy. This thing is brand new from Google. It lets AI agents build entire apps for you. You just tell it what to build, and it does everything. Tests it too. This is going to save you so much time, it's crazy. So let me tell you what Google Antigravity actually is. It's a new AI-powered coding tool that Google just released. This thing is different. You know when you need to build automation tools for your business but coding takes forever? That problem is gone. Antigravity solves it in minutes, not days. Here's how it works. You open up Antigravity and tell it what you want to build. Just type it in plain English. The AI agent then plans out the whole project, creates all the files, writes all the code, tests it in a browser, and shows you the final result. All without you writing a single line of code. No more spending weeks building tools. It just does it right there. But here's where it gets even better. Antigravity can run multiple AI agents at the same time. Let's say you need to fix 3 bugs in your code. You can tell 3 different agents to work on each bug. They all work at the same time. And boom, all 3 bugs fixed way faster than doing them one by one. This is huge for productivity. Now let me show you how this applies to real business. At my agency, we build automation tools all the time. We create systems to get more customers for clients. We automate lead generation. We build custom tools. Before Antigravity, this took our developers days or weeks. Now it takes hours. Think about what that means for the AI Profit Boardroom community. We're always building new automation tools, new systems to save time, new ways to get more traffic and customers. And every time we build something, we need it fast. Antigravity makes all of that faster. Let me give you a specific example. Say you're building a customer tracking system for your business. You need code that collects customer data, code that stores it, code that sends automated emails, code that creates reports. All these pieces need to work together. With Antigravity, you just type in what you want. Tell it to build a customer tracking system. It creates everything, sets up the database, writes all the code, tests it, done. And here's the thing. You don't need to be a coding expert to use this. The whole point is that it does everything for you. You can be a business owner who knows nothing about code, or you can be a developer who wants to move faster. Either way, it works. Now let me tell you about another use case that's huge. Testing. When you build tools and systems, you need to test them. Make sure they work. Make sure nothing breaks. Antigravity has a built-in browser that tests your app automatically. It clicks buttons, fills out forms, checks if everything works. Then it tells you if it passed or failed. Now, if you want to dive even deeper into AI automation, I've got something special for you. I run a community called the AI Profit Boardroom. The best place to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds with AI automation. Learn how to save time and automate your business with AI tools like Google Antigravity. The link is in the comments and description. This saves so much time, it's not even funny. I used to spend hours testing new tools for my agency, making sure every feature worked. Now Antigravity does it automatically. That's hours back in my week. Hours I can spend on growing the business or helping clients or creating content like this. But wait, there's more. And this is where it gets really powerful. You can use Antigravity to build web apps from scratch, full apps with databases, with user login, with payment systems, everything. You just describe what you want, and the agents build it. I had a client last week who needed a lead tracking dashboard, something that shows all their leads in one place, tracks where they came from, shows which ones converted. Usually this would take my team a week or 2 to build. I told Antigravity what we needed. It built the entire dashboard in 3 hours. 3 hours. That's the power of this tool. Now, let's talk about debugging code. When something breaks, you need to find the problem fast. With traditional tools, you're reading through hundreds of lines trying to find the bug. With Antigravity, you just tell the agent what's wrong. It finds the bug, fixes it, tests it. Done. I had a situation last week where one of our automation scripts stopped working. Usually, this would take an hour or two to fix. I told Antigravity about the problem. It found the exact issue in 5 minutes, fixed it, tested it, back up and running. That's how powerful this is. Let me keep going because there's so much more to cover. One of the coolest features is how Antigravity handles big projects. You know, those projects that have hundreds of files, thousands of lines of code. Those are scary even for experienced developers. Antigravity makes them simple. You can tell it to understand your entire project. It reads all the files, figures out how everything connects. Then you can ask it questions, like how does this feature work? Or where is this bug coming from? It tells you exactly what you need to know. It's like having an expert on your team who knows your entire code base. This is huge when you're taking over someone else's project or when you're adding new features to existing systems. You need to understand how things work first. Antigravity gives you that understanding instantly. No more spending days trying to figure out what the last developer built. Another use case that's really practical is building landing pages. Say you want to build a new landing page for the AI Profit Boardroom. You want it to show the value of AI automation, explain all the benefits, get more people to sign up. You just tell Antigravity what you want. It builds the entire landing page, designs it, makes it look good, adds all the copy, tests it in the browser, ready to launch. And here's something I didn't expect, but it's been super useful. You can use Antigravity to learn how good code works. Find well-built projects online. Tell Antigravity to analyze them. It explains why the code is structured that way, what patterns they're using, why certain decisions were made. It's like getting mentored by the best developers in the world. For the AI Profit Boardroom community, this is gold. We're always learning, always improving, always trying to build better automation systems. Being able to study the best code out there and understand it quickly speeds up our learning. We get better faster. Now, if you want to dive even deeper into AI automation, I've got something special for you. I run a community called the AI Profit Boardroom, the best place to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds with AI automation. Learn how to save time and automate your business with AI tools like Google Antigravity. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and 100+ AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 45,000 members who are crushing it with AI. The link is in the comments and description.